The teacher gives the student a 5-minute break each time the student asks. In this scenario, 5 minutes represents A, the quality of the reinforcer, B, the magnitude of the reinforcer, C, the student's preference for a break, or D, the power of the contingency. So the answer is actually B, the magnitude of the reinforcer. And this is why. So magnitude refers to the quantity, the intensity, or the duration of the reinforcer provided. So looking back at our question, a 5-minute break, the 5 minutes part of that refers to how many minutes of break the person gets. And so we're talking about magnitude. The quality of the reinforcer is like, does it matter to us? Like, is it a good reinforcer for that particular behavior? Or is it something that we actually like and thus would be potentially a good reinforcer? And then the student's preference for a break, again, references like the quality and potentially motivating operation, but not that wouldn't work with the 5 minutes. And then the power of the contingency. I mean, that sounds dramatic, but it's kind of not a thing, which is, yeah, 5 minutes wouldn't represent that. So this is a good one for asking, like, what is the question asking of me? And anytime that we're dealing with numbers when it comes to a reinforcer, we're talking about the magnitude of a reinforcer. When we're talking about using reinforcement effectively, we want to use high quality reinforcers of significant magnitude. Like if I had that same contingency and I made the break only 30 seconds, it's not going to be effective if that student isn't reinforced by only 30 seconds of a break. So we want to make sure that we're using high quality reinforcers, so things that actually matter to that person. If they get to choose, it's even more likely that that's the case. But we also want to do ones that have significant magnitude. So the right amount for that person or that behavior. And again, this is like if you were like, I'll give you praise for doing one jumping jack, probably do one jumping jack. But if you were like, I'll give you that same praise for doing 100 jumping jacks, I'd be like, no, thank you. Right. But if you were like, I'll give you $10,000 for doing 100 jumping jacks, and I'd be like, I might die, but I'm going to try. I probably wouldn't die, but I probably would be uncomfortable.